Good morning, friends. This is a very long time that I haven't made any video yet. But this is not like that YouTube, This is for my learning. And today is a Sunday, so I take for a morning walk. So I hit the morning walk and see here's too much greenery. I can see there is very pleasing to see the rising sun. I see here's the donkey, and I'm very scared of when I see them. There's not a very greenery, but this is a spring season, so nowadays it's very pleasant weather over here. It become our day very good, and it make our body warm also, so that we can be active for the whole day to do our work. Friends, I'm here relaxed now and see here are crops over here. These crops are in the spring season, and see here are lots of mango trees, and see here are some other trees also. And see here is also too much greenery, and yes, the rain is also not coming too much because so many trees here. And now over there is mountain, but we can't see. Wow, and see, and here in the way are also lots of crops. They have grown lots of crops, and the birds are also chirping. Well, we can't see right now, but they are chirping, small birds also. And see here, it's very, So friends, see here's lots of greenery. You can see and so beautiful trees are also here. But in the other side, see here's lots of garbage people has thrown. Well, it's not good for our nature. You can say that, and not even we want to know that not our only home is our home, but our whole earth is also our big home. So we should not throw the garbage like that. Friends, our Mother Nature, who never scolds us unless we do anything wrong with her. And I'm happy to be interact with nature and also to be a part of this earth. So we must keep our nature healthy and peaceful. And friends, I have a pail over here so that I can bring the milk in this when we go in the home. And see, there's the mountain, and this is the farm, but this is empty right now. And here the road is empty. You can see only few people are over here, and you can say that it's a small town road. Our 1 hour morning walk is completed, and now we are going back to our home, and we have cow milk in this pail. So thanks for watching video. Until then, bye bye.